Welcome to Riverside's assembly instruction video. Today we are assembling all of these cabinets here that you'll see on the drawing. Okay. First we are going to start with this one. This is a long hang unit, and one thing to pay attention to is the size above here is the size of your shelf. So when you are trying to locate your pieces, this is the size of your fixed shelf and nailer that you are going to want. Okay. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to find all your pieces. So for the long hang, we have a right-left gable, two fixed shelves, one for the top, one for the bottom there, and your nailer, okay? So how I like to do it, I like to put my left on the left, right on the right. Just makes sense. All right, so first you're going to take, also, tools that you will need. You are going to need a number 2 Phillips bit, a number 3 Phillips bit, a number 2 Robertson, and then also you're going to want to have a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Okay, now you're going to start as per your installation instructions found on the Riverside website. You are going to find your the screw and studs that are labeled B screw. Okay, and now you're just going to put these into all of the holes here, 2 at the top of each gable. You're also going to notice these holes here. These are for your pull cups, for your closet rod. These are to be installed after installation because otherwise they're in the way of you screwing it to the wall. But next, we are going to put the hang brackets on. It's just much easier to put these on while the cabinet is laying down. There are left rights of these. What you want to look for is you want your hook facing down because this hook is going to hook over your rail that is provided. For this, you are looking for your H screws as per the installation guide, and you need your number 2 Robertson bit. Okay, now you're going to take your shelves, and the best way to do this is to slide them down onto the screws. So once you feel that in, try and make sure that you get the back flush, and then it's a quarter turn with your screwdriver. Here's where you want to use your screwdriver. You might be tempted to use your drill because it's faster, but it is very easy to strip these screws. So I recommend using your screwdriver. Okay, once you have them fastened to one gable, you're going to take your other gable, put it on top. Okay, start down low, just below, slide them up into the cams there. Trying to make sure that you get this flush. Sometimes you gotta give it a little encouragement. Okay. And then your next step, after you have these all fastened on, so you're gonna take your nailer, and you're gonna put it in here. There's pre-drilled holes in the gable and pre-drilled holes in your nailer. Those will line up. Okay. Get it flush on the back and on the bottom. And then you're going to use your screws that are labeled A as per your installation guide. And this is where you're using the number 3 Phillips. Okay. Start each one. Okay. Make sure it's nice and flush. Screw them in until the heads are nice and flush. And now this cabinet is ready for installation when you get to it.